Over here, it's scary. There's waves. Are you videoing me?
There is definitely waves.
I think I'm going to turn around. I'm going to turn around with it being not.
Wow, look at that buoy over there flopping in the waves.
Oh, that's why we shouldn't go over there. All right, let's turn around. Boom. I turned it to 4 while we were turning around, okay?
Okay.
All right, now it's at 5. What time should I turn it off at 5?
Once we get to that no-wake buoy.
What's a no-wake buoy?
The buoy that says no wake. Actually, probably once we get past the bridge is where I normally turn it up.
Okay. That's why we always go slower after the break.
Yeah.
I love driving. So fun.